I just opened this swivel gun pressure washer. I have one. It's fairly cheap, but it's not built as well as this one. Oh my goodness, I'm just now taking down the box. Feels solid. Looks like it's ready set up. Comes with 2 adapters, which I don't think I'm going to need, but it's nice to have. Oh, yeah. 2 extra adapters. It's more expensive than the other ones, but I think it's going to last a lot longer. Pretty nice. Everything comes together, and I haven't looked at the instructions. I'm not sure I need them, but real nice gun. Anyway, I just wanted to do a short video to show you what it's like, and it is heavy, and the trigger is really nice.
All right, so here's the pressure washer handle here. Okay, so you can see the quality of it there. And then our quick connect system that we have here, which is awesome. Here's the quick connect. And then just so you can see, it does turn here, so it'll swivel, so you don't have to worry about any cables or the hoses getting tied up. There we go.